Your credit score is more than just a number. It impacts every aspect of your life. Whether you're trying to buy a home, finance a car, or even secure a credit card with reasonable rates, a low or even average credit score can easily become a roadblock. Negative marks, missed payments, and financial mistakes can seem like they're haunting you forever. We've all been there, trying to pay all the bills on time. But sometimes things slip through the cracks. A few missed payments can cause your credit score to drop fast. And once it's down, it feels almost impossible to get back up. But what if there was a way to fix it? A way to improve your credit score and get your financial life back on track? That's where CreditCaptain comes in. CreditCaptain is an AI-powered tool that helps you improve your credit score fast. As soon as you sign up, CreditCaptain gets to work, automatically removing negative marks, late payments, and other bad stuff from your credit report. Here's how it works. CreditCaptain's AI instantly scans your credit report, finding things that are hurting your score. Then, it goes to work right away, automatically removing bad marks and missed payments, fixing mistakes, which in result increases your credit score. The best part? You don't have to do much at all. CreditCaptain's AI does the hard work for you, cleaning up your credit report so you can see your score go up faster. CreditCaptain has already helped over 50,000 people improve their credit scores, with most users seeing an increase of over 200 points in just 2 months. These aren't just numbers, they're real people whose lives have been changed. CreditCaptain is trusted by big banks like Bank of America, Chase, American Express, Wells Fargo, and more. It's the #1 recommended tool for improving your credit. Improving your credit score isn't just about numbers, it's about getting better deals. A higher credit score can mean lower interest rates, better loan offers, and the freedom to do the things you want, like buying a house or starting a business. Don't let your credit score hold you back anymore. Join the thousands of people who've made their financial future better with CreditCaptain. It's time to take control, unlock new opportunities, and start building the life you've always wanted.